Today's all about my what fits in my Naomi bag and also my updated Portland leather goods collection because it is growing. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all. My name is Andrea. Welcome or welcome back to my channel, and thank you for joining me at the Babe Cave table. And if you don't mind, subscribe to my channel. It's all about handbags and reviews and accessories. So let's get into this about the small Naomi from Portland Leather Goods. Okay, I have mixed feelings about this bag right now. And I wanted to be honest with you all that I think it's too slouchy for me. I have a lot of stuffing in here, okay? And I'm okay with semi-structured, slouchy. And I knew that it was going to be slouchy, but I didn't realize that it would literally just puddle. I don't like the idea of, let me just show you. This is how much stuffing was in there. This is it empty. Like literally a puddle. I don't think this bag is for me after all, but I already sprayed it with my rain and stain guard because of it saying there could be color transfer. So now I cannot return it. If any of you are interested in this small Naomi, I am going to list it, but I thought if you wanted it and you love the super puddle, as I'm calling it, feel free to reach out to me. And I just would like to get my money back at this point, but so here's the bottom of it. It's just, I don't like the idea of it puddling like that without a zipper, and then all of your things just puddled. I don't know. I guess sometimes it's about presentation of a bag to me, and to me this is just too puddly for me. But I will show you what fits in this bag because that's what I told you I would do. But again, if you're interested, I took it out one day for like 20 minutes, so it's brand new. And I did spray the Apple brand Rain and Stain. So let's start with, yeah, here it goes. Let's just see what all I can put in here. Starting with the mini pochette. I think I'm gonna hold it up like this so you can see. Throw in my gum, my keys at the bottom, also pin and flashlight at the bottom, along with my tape measure. And here is my fan and tissues. It's allergy season, you know. So that all fits in there. I have no wallet yet, no phone. Here is the sanitizer that I always use. My mace. I don't like that there's no inside pockets. I prefer to have my mace in an inside pocket so I can get to it quickly. So that's another reason I don't really like this bag. Why is there no pockets? I need pockets. And this is a iPhone 15 Pro Max size. So this thing actually does fit a lot. I mean, look at that. That's a lot of everyday items. Okay, this is probably not going to work. This is my Coach notebook, but I just wanted to see if it would fit. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, so you can fit the notebook. However, you cannot magnet it closed. So I guess it depends on you, because I do have it at the bottom of the bag. So you can see it sticking out. So it just depends on security for you if you want the magnet closed, but it does fit in there. And this is the wallet that I threw in it yesterday. This is one of my favorite wallets. One, because it's slim, it's Coach. I love all the pockets, all the cards. I mean, to me, this is an amazing slim wallet as well. Another favorite. I love the tan color, and that's what I put in there yesterday. And it fits just fine, and it looks like this. So it looks okay when it's stuffed. And the color is beautiful. Let me turn off the flash to show you what it looks like without the flash. Here is the bag without flash. It is a beautiful Joni blue color. It's just, I can't deal with the slouch. I thought I could. Here's the front of the bag. Here's the Portland leather. Yeah, so it is a beautiful color, and I don't regret the color or the suede, but I just can't deal with how flimsy it is to me, or slouchy, I should say. I just prefer more structure, and this is the Almost Perfect. So that's what it looks like without the flash. So again, my email's down below. I haven't listed it yet. I wanted to give you guys first dibs if you did want it. I paid $71. I would like to give it to someone for at least $80 or $90. So let me know if you want it out of Poshmark or Mercari, and just email me directly, because this color is no longer there. It was yesterday. It is no longer there, so it is gone. That's why I'm offering it to you if you are interested in this bag. Now on to my other Portland leather goods. The first bag I bought was the large circle in pearl. I really wanted a light color, and pearl has the prettiest sheen on it. And it's not super metallic. It's a subtle sheen, but it's so pretty, and I love the shape of this bag. I think this is in the premium. I cannot remember right now. It does sit up when you fill it up. Okay. It usually stands up when you fill it up, and it has the front pocket for your phone, which I like. I don't know if I would like the small circle. I'm glad I got the big one. Oh, this coming Friday will be an exciting time for you. Yeah, I don't know when that was, but I'm sure it was exciting. How this Portland leather circle bag is made, it has a pocket. And I think I require pockets, okay? At least one. Give me one pocket per bag, please. So this is the color pearl large circle. My first dip into Portland leather goods, and I have worn this actually more than I thought I would. I thought I wasn't going to wear it that much, but I like the shape and the comfortable crossbody of this bag. So I am loving the large circle. And with that, I ordered pearl colored taco because I really like this tassel. And I just keep my accessories in this circle bag. But yeah, the taco, if you've not seen that before, this one is really pretty too. Same color, pearl. I don't know that pearl is on their website anymore, but there's the taco. I'm not sure, is there a bigger taco, but there's Portland leather goods on the front there. Then I got the Daisy wallet in pearl. Beautiful raw leather inside. I don't know if the sheen is picking up, but this is what I carry together, obviously. I think I got this, I can't remember when I got this, but I think it came for free with a purchase. So this is, I don't know what kind of wallet it is, but I do know that this color is, gosh, I think it was deep water. So it's a smooth finish leather. Very dark color. Let me compare it to the Joni blue for you in case you needed a comparison. This is, of course, the suede. Smooth leather. I believe it's called deep water. And there's the color difference of the blues. I'll just keep this up here, even though it's not going to be my bag. So that's those accessories. And my good friend Says What, go check out her channel, gifted me she put the sticker inside, lavender mini Daisy wallet. So I have two mini Daisy wallets. And says I am on the hunt for a lilac lavender purse, so this will go perfect with it once I find my perfect lavender. But this is a pretty lavender color, and I like how they do the little, what is this called? Looks like shallots or something, a little curve. I like the mini daisy, and they do fit a lot of cards. Got one. My Margot mini crossbody that I bought, and I did wear for the first time, and I loved it. Again, this is the mini classic crossbody. It has the snap closure. It's such a comfortable carry. If you haven't got one of these classic mini crossbodies, it's a really easy carry. Lots of room. There's the strap. Beautiful Margot color. I really like this color. It's a little more muted than what it's showing up on camera, and it is smooth and soft. Their leather is amazing. So if you haven't tried Portland Leather, I am not sponsored or affiliated with them, but I just like their leathers. I am really getting into them. So and then I thrifted this one, which is just the regular mini crossbody, but this one has the zipper, and it's the premium with the zipper. It's not the classic style, and I thrifted this one. It is for sale on my Poshmark and Mercari. So if you are interested, I believe the color is sunflower. It's like a mustardy yellow, not a bright yellow. So it's kind of coming off pretty good on this camera. So this one's for sale, and it does have the zipper closure. And I'll show you the inside one more time, even though I showed you this recently. Zippers are a little stubborn, but there's the crossbody strap, clean inside. So if you're interested in this one, it is for sale. And it is pretty. I feel like this color would be perfect in the fall. And I already have my fall yellows, but if you're interested, this one is for sale. And finally, the two charms that I got recently. And this is the Dragonfly in the color Supernova. So pretty. I currently have it on my black Dooney & Bourke satchel. I just liked the contrast of the Supernova color and black. Love that you can put this on any size strap too. These are really handy bag charms. Love it. Dragonfly. And then my Dakota pretzel, because I like pretzels. And this is the color Dakota. Very pretty. And there's Portland Leather signature. I really like this. I think it would look good on this yellow as well. So that is my Portland Leather Goods collection, and then also my what fits in my small Naomi bag. And if you are interested on either one of these, I will sell them off the platforms, which is actually better for me. So if you're interested in the mini crossbody or the small Naomi, email me and we'll work something out. So thank you for subscribing to my channel, watching my channel, just being a good friend over here on this channel. I appreciate all the comments. Tell me, do you love my collection? Even though two are for sale. I still am on the hunt. I think the next color I want is cold brew. Like, I can't get that color out of my head. So in the future, I don't know when, I'm going to try to get cold brew. I think that's a pretty color. What other colors should I try? I'm really thinking that cold brew. I also liked the cobalt blue, but that's not suede. That one's pretty. But yeah, I don't know. Thank you again for watching, subscribing, hit the bell if you don't want to miss my future videos. And until next video, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.